Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Arsenal don't lose 3-0 against Crystal Palace to cast doubts on their top 4 ambition. For the first half, Palace opened scoring for 16 minutes through Mateta. Then 8 minutes later, Jordan Ayew make am 2-0. Then for the second half, Ateta comot Tavares for Martinelli as Xhaka come go for left back, consider they go fit salvage something for the game. Then for 74 minutes, Arsenal concede penalty wey Zaha come score by himself to make am 3-0. Na so the match take end o. Then after the match, so Jamie Carragher, one of our super pundits, come outside come talk say make Arsenal no panic, you get, say they still get edge over Spurs and Manchester United. The main koko be say you don't lose, we say you don't lose, I don't lose 3-0, but don't panic. Say if panic start to reset in, confusion will come the comment side before I know wetin I dey play game, because number one, Arsenal get a very thin squad. You know, for that January transfer window, we no too sign players because strikers were not available. The one go sign, no gree come. Midfielder one sign Otomelo, they no gree give us. So all these variables now fit come at the end of the season, come dey hunt Arsenal, but make them no panic. Do man management, know how you go take manage players. Look at Nuno Tavares that people dey complain of. Tavares, when the last time we played against Nottingham Forest, and for that match, after I think was it 30 something minutes, they comot am. I think that say, this boy, they are not playing well, they comot am. This match again, Ateta don dey shout, no, the guy dey go out of position. They comot am after 45 minutes. So we no get a capable replacement for that Kylian Mbappe. We get injury. So that's one of our major problems as we do like this. And we don't have a striker with a bust that with reliable. Forget all those hold up play like they do. That's another problem. So the bottom line of the message we say, Arsenal, do not panic. Then away from that, we can't get one kind of injury scare as Thomas Partey said limp out of the match. We can't take replacement with Lokonga. So we never know how long Partey go dey out, whether a serious injury, whether a minor injury. Now today, tomorrow, when the physios will come check am, come give us updates, let us know how long he go dey out, whether at all he go even dey out. We never really know. And we are getting some kind of games so they come thick and fast, because we still play Man, you play Chelsea. No, the game dey too fast. Again, we can go play West Ham. No, now may God help us. Gary Neville sef don come outside, they come dey chook mouth for Arsenal matter as Arsenal don play Crystal Palace. So Baba come talk say this Arsenal wey dey see like this, say no see Arsenal finishing above other people wey dey on top of them. Say na this fifth be the best position wey they go ever get for this season, whether na true, whether na lie, which means you don already count us out of top 4 just because Tottenham Hotspur now they win. Man, I don't forget say not too long ago, Tottenham Hotspur win like 4 games in the last 5 games. We go to self they cry, say the season is dead, they don't finish. Now they don't better. So again, Arsenal can see better also. So now football, it is unpredictable. Anything can happen. So we never know. Now the next run of fixtures will let us know. Brighton, they're not too good away from their home. Even at home, they struggle. So Brighton, our next team will go play. Hopefully, we'll give them back. After we don't give them, if we get some mojo back, they also recover. Before complete Southampton, before they check the big boys. Well, I never know how everything will solve. More to watch. Jamie Carragher sef don come again, come talk say wetin Arsenal need to propel themselves into top 4 position, whether na this season, whether na next season. Say we need a top center forward. You get now wetin Arsenal dey lack now. We say e dey show, everybody dey see am. You get, it's visible to the blind and audible to the deaf. Everybody dey see am like this koro. We don't have a striker. At the same time, Baba come talk say we need a central midfielder. You get, those are the 2 key areas. Before I can talk about right back and left back replacement. Ateta, Edu, Gaspar, and Richard Garlic, they have too much work on their hands. We need massive overhaul. We don't do the first batch of the overhaul. We need another second batch to buy another 5-4 players to come rejig this team again. Throw away some kind of dead wood we'll buy. We don't need them. All those kind of Tavares is supposed to be like the 3rd choice left back. You get, not second choice. That 3rd choice will be using and play cup, making the grow. He's still growing. He's still developing. So that is why the guy they falter like this. We don't really understand why he can't get lack of confidence. Because once upon a time they played him, he was keeping Tierney out, he was playing very well, bumping forward, coming back, energetic, athletic, everything. But now, I don't know that much rustiness. When they give him lack of morale and lack of confidence. So wetin Carragher dey talk na for next season, na for the summer they go fit implement that one. Say we wan sign a striker, a midfielder, a right back, a left back, and who knows, if fit still sign another person again. Well, more dey watch. Kylian Tierney don get injury. For those wey no know, you know say Kylian Tierney miss this match wey we play against Crystal Palace. Nobody saw it coming. We just dey surprised say line up come, we no see Tierney. So now they say the guy carry the injury come from international break, but dem no take am, no feel say e dey serious. But after the physios come assess am, come say this thing go serious, but dem go fit do more tests, because from the early prognosis wey we dey hear, dem dey talk say this guy na injury wey go keep am out of the season, like till the end of the season. Don go out. That one na just intelligent guess, but they wan do more tests to confirm whether na true or na lie, because Arteta sef don come outside talk say the early signs of this injury say they make am fear, say he no get too much hope. So now after the tests wey they go do, they will come know whether the guy go still come back for this season, abi we dey left with Tavares. And if we come dey left with Tavares, and then we will come suffer, because we come dey left with between the devil and the blue sea. Because whether we come play Tavares for that left back, I will carry and Xhaka come play for that left back. Even though Xhaka not in position, but he can still manage that place, but he's going to be playing out of position. This is going to be a very, very big dilemma, a negative dilemma, not even positive one. Well, more to watch after the test. I will let you know how everything go. Now away from Tierney, so man, don't forget say Pepe self don't get illness. Pepe no be injury. The guy just sick. I don't know what's him doing. He is sick. So that's why yesterday we check our bench not too day strong yet. Apart from Martinelli and Nketiah said, who day for that bench? So Pepe now for the next match we go play against Brighton, let's just pray say he go don't come back. At least maybe give that bench some kind semblance of productivity, because nothing there for that bench. If I look at like this, now shame they catch me, nothing there. Well, now through the next match now before we go play, we go pray say Pepe go don't come back. The North London derby for Arsenal, wey Tottenham Hotspur wan host us, wey dem postpone early, I think for January they postpone am. They don reschedule the date, so it go come for May 12. And this North London derby, it go dey very, very crucial in the race for top 4. So they don reschedule am. So everybody dey hope say by then every of our player go don come back, no excuse. Everybody go play with our life. But that's like a cup final. That's like a playoff, a Champions League playoff. So till then now we know what's going to happen. Everything will happen now. Now go lead up, now go build up expectation towards that match. Well, till then we know how everything will be. David Einstein, maybe one of our super pundits and journalists, don't come outside and talk say Wolves they prepare for life after Ruben Neves, as they willing to sell him again. Even though they won't keep him, but they know say in quality they too big for him to come remain from Molineux Stadium. So if anybody bring money come say okay, we want sell, I want buy him. So them no go waste time, they go sell him, because you can't keep a top talent like that. Overly, he cannot stay forever for Wolves, so they go let him go. Well, wish them all the best of luck, because we said we follow for one of the people we want buy him. So for the selling club to come aside willingly and officially come talk say if offer come, we go sell him. He's a top talent, we can't keep him forever in our place. Well, we said we did very, very interested, and I hope say Arsenal will launch a bid for this Wolves guy, this Ruben Neves guy, good one. My former Arsenal player, what they call Eduardo, don't come outside when they advise Arteta, because say make them no sign Marcus Rashford. Say Rashford no they good enough to play for Arsenal, because when you come to think of it, this guy no they play for Man U as a number 9. So instead, in chances for them, don't they very, very limited this season, whether not because of the new manager or not because of say the guy they decline. Because once upon a time, this guy, if you talk about Man U without talking about Rashford now, the guy they very, very prolific, very, very good. But now in the language for Benjamin, even the match they play recently, we say Ronaldo no dey, Cavani no dey. That's against I don't even forget what they play. We say that okay against Leicester, where they play 1-1. Rashford dey, but they no play him. And Ronaldo no dey, Cavani no dey. For you to know say he don't decline, don't go down the pecking order. So Baba Kali talk say more no sign am, more free am. Say one sign, what they sign up for? Say they sign am make come play 9. I will sign am make come play wing. What did they sign up for? So no need, we don't need that. Alright, away from that, so Tammy Abraham will be striker of Roma. So they call the interview for Talk Sports, because they ask and say he gets anything we go bring him back to EPL. You get it, they ask him whether one day they feel the hope say he will come back to EPL, come fly in trade. But Conto say you can never say never. Say as him be now, in the London boy, you get say now for London then group then train him, and he didn't get London as in route. So one day in the hope saying if he come back for EPL, for me they can't hear his name, because if you check newspaper, check media, in they hear his name, they see his name for TV all the time, they link him to many clubs for England. Say the thing they sweet in Bele. It shows say in they do the right thing for the club when they now because then they for fifth for table. They don't secure Europa League spots. Now they even they fight for enter top 4. The people waiting for fourth. I think Juve they got like 5 points. Get and they don't play like 30 matches. Get many games there to go. So Roma, Mourinho, they try to see whether Roma will fit enter Champions League. And Tammy Abraham, one of the jigsaw puzzle, and then be the one of the kings where they take them into that run. So Baba they talk say well, they say one day go come London, and they come in London now. Arsenal or Chelsea go be because Chelsea get a buyback clause so they insert for the deal. We carry Tammy go for Roma. So it is either this guy go back to Chelsea or Arsenal will get the first opportunity to buy him before they come just say they resign and say they no want, they reject the deal. They first go back for the guy go carry him. We never really know. So everything now for the future, more they watch. On my monetary spiritual they call Fichales. Don't come outside, come they let us know say Real Sociedad. If they no qualify for Europe, say Isaac will talk say in one league. So the only thing go fit keep and then and say maybe they qualify for Champions League, say or Europe or Europa because the reason say okay, I still there, shall no yawa, but anything make them no qualify. So Baba go on find in square root, and one of the destinations now Arsenal because in the past Arsenal don't they linked to the guy. They say Arsenal they interested in signing him. Last season, last transfer window, I think for January we won't sign the guy, but the money they can't call, they say that the buyers clause will pay. So because of that, we can't distance ourselves away from the deal. But we never know. Now at the end of the summer, we will know truly which striker we sign because we don't add so many strikers to our shopping list. And last now 2 we will sign highest. So well, I never know who will sign. On my third time, don't come and say I can't apologize to Arsenal setup. Can't apologize to everybody, Arsenal fan, the staff, everybody. Shall we link to Arsenal? Say more no vex for what's happening that for the match we play against Crystal Palace. Say it is an unacceptable defeat because we don't play very well. We are not dominant enough. You get Crystal Palace outplay us. They were very dominant, and we giving 2 goals. We say supposed to enter. We just allow 2 goals enter like that. Baba complain also, but won't put blame on anybody. Just to say more no vex. And this is one of the things I said. Don't allow Crystal Palace dominate play. If we go there and dominate play, we will win them. Look at the way they destroy our defense. Like we were playing out of position. Tavares. Even regardless, look at the way we did that second goal. Come on. The players just get frustrated. Well, it is what it is. No can they cry over spilled milk, but it don't happen. At the same time, all the guys have come and say I can't talk to you. This is just one match, you get, and one match it just happened. So no can they cry over spilled milk. Like just one match, you get. But the next match we'll play against Brighton, we'll come back good, you get. So we'll play very well, and from there we'll gain our mojo back on the play moving forward. So we just forget everything that happened. It don't happen, so it don't happen. Let us look forward ever and backward never. So if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You can see the thumbnail, click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your week and get out.